Wow, guys. Yes, all of you know me. Relative to the management team. I have the privilege to work with every one of these. Some of you say goodbye. I'm not going to say goodbye. I'm going to see all of you in the future. And I know all of us will reach out when need be. Give you a little bit of backstory. So not all of our beginnings are as sweet as they always sound like. The careers we've chosen sometimes found us in the environment we are. Being underground, I work with various different cultures, different teams, adaptability, heat, extremities to the next extent. When I started my career early, you had to make the decision, either you fall in or you fall out. And the falling and fallout situation came with the team that I had. You had to understand each behavior, the cultures, the languages, the barriers, to make the best success of it. And accept it who it is. Not trying to change something that can be changed, but what you can control. And at the end of it, that is what brought us here. Everybody saw potential in you that's sitting here. And that potential must just be delved deeper. Hopefully, I always lead from the back, and you know it. I give you the best hand and the best advice. I flourish when you flourish. My goal is to make sure you succeed beyond your abilities that you think you can, which I see, which you don't. I urge managers and as well as your supervisors for the future to see that in employees, which they don't. That would build success. That was built us as a company, that built us as a unit, and that builds integrity. And that camaraderie that goes with it goes a long, long, long way. So all I need to do is to plant that seed today, to make that inspire today, to do that you think you cannot, to show you it is doable. Okay? It's only a failure if you did not attempt it. Remember that. You can fail and fail and fail, but you only fail the moment you don't attempt it again. Okay? Thank you for everything, guys.